In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to take a LinkedIn skill assessment. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to linkedin.com and go over to your profile. So once you're on your profile, you're gonna scroll down to the option of skills. So right here, these are the skills which I've added onto my profile. Then you're gonna click on this option, demonstrate skills, and then you're gonna scroll down until you see this option, take skill assessment. So I'm gonna click on the first on this option, skill assessment. Alright, so once you're here, you're gonna search up your skill. So let's say social media, if there's something like that. No, so there's no social media. So let's say it's about Microsoft Excel. So I'm just gonna choose this option, and then I'll have to click on start. So once I click on start, it's gonna give me sets of questions. So in this case, it's 15 multiple questions, and then you'll have to answer all of those questions, and then you'll get a badge which will be a proof that you have these skills. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.